Hello, good afternoon. Today we have a treat for you. It's unboxing day. This morning I went to Walmart and I found this on sale. It's a solar flashlight with AM, FM and weather band radio. So it was on sale. It's only for $9. $9, that's a good deal, I think, because before I bought a smaller one and I lost it. I don't know how I lost it, but it's also the same thing. It's got this one in particular. It's got 2600 milliamp hour power bank, so you could, well, they claim you can charge your phones here or whatever, but it's got a LED flashlight and AM, FM, weather band radio. You can also hand crank this, so you can recharge the battery, the built-in battery, by cranking it. And also you can, since it's solar, you can put it under the sun and it will charge the battery inside. So I don't know, it says multi-angle lamp, so the side you can also lift and use it as a lamp. So I don't know which, both sides or just one side. I think one side only. The other side is probably the solar panel. And it's got a panic alarm, but we'll see. It includes a white SOS flashing emergency light. And so an alarm, I would think, would be some kind of a noise, probably with a noise and also a flashing light. So if you get startled, a bear or some two-legged intruder, you can press a button, but we will see. We'll open it now, and that's why it's called unboxing. And it's on sale, so I'm happy with it, but it's just too big. But at least the flashlight will be useful for me and the radio, because if there's nothing to do or if cloudy, no sunshine, I'll just crank it up and then we'll have our radio. And also, this is almost the end of winter here in Texas. Probably a few more days, 2 more weeks probably. And then we will have spring. Then, you know, when it comes to spring, they will have rain. And what else? What else do you have near spring? Probably tornado. So you don't want to be caught off guard. And if you have this one comes with a weather band, then you can, you can check to see if there is tornadoes in your area. Then you can decide to either move to a different area, move out of the area, or stay in the area. It's up to you on how you will see. So once we open it up, so I just open the side, and then this is the flashlight. It's got a USB out, so you can charge whatever you need to charge with USB, and then there's an in, so you can recharge this also directly using this USB. So you can, so 3 ways to charge the battery inside here. It's a 2 amp hour battery. You can use the USB charger to get in. You can crank it, so there's a crank. So there's a crank here, and also the solar light. I think, no, where's the solar? Maybe this is the solar. And you can also open this, I believe. Then there's light here underneath, so you can make it into a stand, and you have a light. You can change directions. And then solar to charge. I think this is the solar. And then there's the band. So that's the panic alarm, SOS. And then you have AM, FM, and then the weather band. So this is the volume. And then this is manually manual tuning. And then you got an antenna. So it's a basic radio. You got antenna. I put it on FM, you can tune it manually, and then probably you need to extend antenna. So you can, you'll have I will have some kind of entertainment, but anyway, probably needs to recharge first before I start playing with it. But there's the flashlight, there's a button here, and there's only one. Okay, and then there's the light here. Okay, it's hard to open, but there's a light on the side. So when you click here, it toggles flashlight, side light, and off. That's it. So you can have, and then the speaker is at the back. So there you have it. And it also came with an instruction, but who reads instructions anyway? Maybe I will, just to see, look at inside. I don't even know, but that's how you should do it. And there's nothing to do, you read the instruction. Solar panel is here. You can put it under the sun if I'm lazy, or I can crank it up using the cranker here, the handle cranker. So I could, probably it just goes either way. It will recharge the battery. But for now, it's one of the safety gadget for camping that you can use. Solar flashlight with AM FM weather band radio. So safety because of the weather band, entertainment because the AM FM flashlight is also a safety. And if you run out of batteries, you crank this up. If there's no sunlight, then you'll have power, at least battery and radio. And if you switch this, so now it's off. Tuning is still on, but probably actually it's switched off. Anyway, there you have it. Solar flashlight with AM FM weather band radio with solar and cranking. Okay, see ya, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed yet to Fun or Not, you have, now is your chance. And if you did, thank you for supporting my channel, and thanks for watching. I hope you will all come back, and see you soon. Okay, thank you, bye bye.